Are you a small business owner looking to choose a marketing company? Well, today we're going to discuss 5 red flags to watch out for when you're choosing that marketing company. Most everyone we talk to has a story about how they were screwed by a marketing company. Our web designer disappeared after he created the site, and now we don't know how to make any changes. Or we were promised a #1 ranking with Google, and we weren't even close to the first page. Or maybe we spent thousands on Google Ads and didn't get one lead. Does this sound familiar? So our goal is to make sure that this never happens again. That's why we're going over these 5 red flags to watch out for. So red flag #1, watch out for anybody that has canned strategies. Canned strategies really take a one-size-fits-all approach to marketing a business. So if you're given the exact steps that a marketing company will take before you've even had a chance to tell them about yourself, this is a big red flag. Optimizing a page for Divorce Attorney Miami definitely requires some different steps than optimization for Divorce Attorney Pittsburgh. Keyword research is definitely required. Marketing companies should be looking at what the competitors are doing in your specific area to rank highly. Then a plan should be developed using similar techniques. This plan should include primary keywords, secondary keywords, on-site SEO, and off-site SEO. If no research is performed, you're just guessing at what will work. In the end, this normally turns out to be money wasted for you, not to mention no clients gained. As Google's algorithm becomes more and more sophisticated, it's really hard to know what's working without looking into it, digging into the numbers. Google has a ton of ranking factors. In fact, there's over 200 of them. And some of them are even based on the location of the user. You want to make sure that the marketing company that you choose creates a plan based specifically on your needs and that you tell that company what your needs are. Red flag #2, you definitely want to watch out for unreasonable page ranking guarantees. Many times you'll receive emails from companies that promise to get you ranked #1 for a certain keyword, or they promise to get you on the front page of Google. What does that even mean, on the front page of Google? Other times they'll claim that if you don't rank in 6 months, they'll work for free until you do. Google makes the rules. There's no doubt about that. There are no companies with outside influence on ranking. There's absolutely no way a company with integrity could make any of those claims. So if you see any type of page ranking guarantee, run the other way. This isn't a company you want to do business with. Additionally, if a marketing company touts that they're a Google partner, this should really only be used within the context of Google Ads. Their partner status cannot help them or you with your search engine optimization or SEO. Red flag #3, watch out for freelancers, students, or companies of one that haven't been around for a while. I cannot tell you the number of businesses we've worked with that have had their web designers ghost them. They're typically left with a website they don't even know how to edit or sometimes even sign into. And the story typically starts out the same way. My nephew, cousin's, mother's, daughter's friend knows how to design websites, and they were really cheap to hire. When hiring a web designer or marketing company, cost definitely should be considered. However, it should not be the only consideration. Yes, websites do cost a substantial amount of money. You need to own your domain, you need to have a hosting plan, and then you need to create the website itself. Most small business websites actually cost between $3,000 and $25,000, but your website is your online face. You want to make a good first impression. When hiring somebody to create your website, experience is a very important factor. An experienced web designer will talk to you about conversions, keywords, return on investment, consistent messaging, and more. These topics should all be discussed before the website is even started. Red flag 4, watch out for companies that won't let you talk to their current clients. A good marketing company will let you talk to their current clients. In fact, they're going to make this offer to you before you even ask. And that's because a good marketing company has happy clients, that want to talk about all the new business that they're getting due to that marketing company. Now, no marketing campaign is 100% effective. That's a guarantee. So it helps to be able to talk to people about how a business handles bad situations as well. This should really give you an idea about that marketing company's character. At IFTS, we happily give prospects access to any of our current clients. However, we do have one caveat that we add to this. We always ask our prospects to leave talking to our clients as the last thing they need to hear before making a decision. We don't want to bug our clients unnecessarily. So we only want people that are seriously considering hiring us to contact our clients. Bottom line, a good marketing company should not be afraid of you talking to their clients. And finally, red flag number 5 is that you want to watch out for giant companies where you're just a number. We all know these giant market companies that we're talking about. They're only there that they profit due to the sheer volume of companies that they work with. They have sales reps that sell you on their amazing sounding plans. Your website gets created and then nothing happens. You call your rep to find out what's happening, only to discover that your account's been transferred to another rep that isn't familiar with your account. Once he or she reads through the account notes, if they exist, they typically will then try to upsell you on another package that will really get you leads. Does this sound familiar? Most of the time in these large companies, the sales rep actually have a quota that they have to hit each month. They don't know those nitty-gritty details of what they're suggesting, just a high-level overview, and then they don't do the work. The coders do the work. So if there's an issue, you have to contact your rep. Then that rep relays your issue as they understand it to the coders. It becomes basically a game of marketing telephone where everyone wins but you, because you're the one paying for all of these interactions and time. A small to mid-sized marketing firm tends to be a better fit for most small to mid-sized businesses. Typically, there's no strict sales quota, and the salespeople tend to be more informed about the details in the actual implementation of the marketing plan. So now that you know the flags to look for, you should be able to have a much better experience in your search for a marketing company. We do suggest starting with talking to us, IFTS. We offer a free 1-hour consultation where we want you to tell us about your company, your goals, your marketing journey, what you tried, what you haven't tried, what's working, what's not working, and more. From that meeting, you'll walk away with an actionable marketing plan no matter who you end up hiring. We don't want to waste anyone's time. Call 412-715-6266 today to get started. Thank you.